When people are considering driving here in Italy, I always tell them, if you're renting a car, rent the smallest car you possibly can. If you're buying a car, buy a used car. It's gonna get beat up. Cars here are not precious things. They're things to get from point A to point B, and they will get dinged up. And they get dinged up so frequently that the dings and the dents are called Italian kisses. So right now I'm walking down to the grocery store. It's 350 meters or a 7-minute walk. Please enjoy this compilation of Italian kisses that I saw along the way.